Hey there and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go through all the different lenses that you can access on the GoPro Hero 11. From the brand new Hyperview to the awesome linear with horizon lock that lets you turn the camera all the way upside down, yet maintain the horizon at all times. Alright, so from the home screen, what you want to do is tap on the oblong at the bottom of the screen. Now when the next screen appears, you want to tap on the pencil, like so. And if we look here in the middle at the top, you can see how it says lens as one of your options. So we're just going to tap on that. Now the very first view we're going to look at is Hyperview, and Hyperview is brand new to the GoPro Hero 11 Black. In Hyperview, the GoPro films using the full frame of the camera in an aspect ratio of 8:7, and then what it does is it compresses that image down to a 16:9 aspect ratio shot. The next lens we're going to look at is Superview. So Superview is very similar to Hyperview, and it was on the GoPro Hero 10, but in this case you've taken a 4:3 aspect ratio shot and you've compressed it down to a 16:9. So it still has a lot of information in the shot. As you can see, a little bit of fisheye in the previous one too, at Hyperview as well. Next one we're going to look at is wide. Now wide's a pretty good versatile option that you can use in many situations. Gives you a nice big wide field of view, and with that field of view you can still see a little bit of fisheye, but much less than the previous options here. Alright, the next lens we're going to check out is linear. Now linear has no fisheye on that shot at all, which is really great. So it has a wide field of view, 19 to 39 mil, and is pretty versatile for most circumstances. One of the ones I'm most excited about when it comes to lenses on the GoPro Hero 11 Black is linear and horizon lock. But if you turn the camera upside down, or the horizon is maintained for the whole shot. And as you can see, if I turn the camera around, the vision, even though it's upside down, the vision stays the same. How crazy is that? There are so many great lens options on the GoPro Hero 11 Black, but which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section down below, and let me know which one that you use most frequently. If you want to learn more about the amazing GoPro Hero 11 Black and other GoPro cameras, click on this video over here next. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.